Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to manage CEC settings on your TELEFUNKEN TV. So CEC stands for Consumer Electronics Control, and this is the technology that is responsible for integration between your TV and your external devices like your console, your soundbars, etc. So basically, when you turn on if this feature is enabled, when you turn on your TV, your external devices turn on along with it, so you have quicker access to them. Besides, you can also use your remote control to manage them, and sometimes this feature is useful, sometimes you don't really need it, and to manage it, to turn it on or off, you're gonna have to press and hold the home button on your remote control to open the dashboard. Scroll down to settings, then scroll to the system settings, and in system we're gonna have to select more, and after that navigate to CEC and set it to enabled. Now also, if you want this auto power on feature, which I described previously, enable it as well. So if you want your external devices to be turned on along with your TV, enable it, and this will let you use your remote control to control your, for example, PlayStation or your Xbox. And if you want to switch between controlling your TV and controlling your PlayStation, you're gonna have to press and hold 0 button on your remote control until you see the message on your screen that your controls are switched, and in this case it means that they are switched to TV controls. And now if I press the home button, it will get me to the dashboard and I'll be able to navigate my TV. Then if I hold down 0 button once more, I will get the message about getting control over my HDMI device, so in this case my console, and now I can navigate my console. And that's basically how you use this feature and how you manage it, how you turn it on, how you turn it off, how you customize it to your needs. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.